Hi friends, in this session we'll be discussing about the divergence screening tools available on Traders Cockpit. Now, divergences generally occur when, say, a price is falling, going on a higher high note, but the indicator starts making a lower high, or on the reversal side, if the price is making a lower low at any point of time, but the indicator starts making a higher low. An example you can see here, for example, in case of this script, which is Bajaj Finance. Now here the price made a higher high, but the indicator, that is RSI, started making a lower low, and that is where we say that a divergence has occurred. Now to screen these divergences, or to screen these technical setups, we do have the divergence screeners available on Traders Cockpit. For that, you can come to this toolsx link here, and in toolsx section, in case you want to you want to scan for intraday divergence, then you need to click on this link here, intraday divergences. Similarly, if you want to scan for short-term divergence, then you need to click on this short-term divergence link here. The short-term divergence checks for the divergence happening on EOD, end of the day candles. Once we click on that link, you'll find the option available to scan from among different type of divergences. Say divergences broadly, they can be classified either into classical divergences or hidden divergences. For people who know about technicals, they will be knowing about this setup. In case you want to learn how the divergences work out, you may look to attend any of our technical analysis workshops where these things are taught in details. But assuming that you have an idea about how a divergence work, here you can scan for either classical positive or classical negative, similarly hidden positive or hidden negative divergence, and that also across the prominent indicators like RSI, MFI, OBV or MACD. For all these four parameters like RSI, MFI, OBV and MACD, both classical and hidden divergence screening options are available here. Now let me just take a case. Let me just take a case of this RSI classical negative divergence. What I did is I just clicked on this option here, RSI classical negative divergence setup, and clicked on the get data option. Once you click on the link, it will be once you click on the get data option, it will show you the list of results downside. Say as it happened in case of Bajaj Finance, which I shortlisted from here. Now in Bajaj Finance, if you see the divergence occurred between dates 4th of June 2019 till 11th of June 2019. On 4th, the price was at 3,531, and here on 11th, the price went up. The price went up from 31, it went up till 51, 3,551. But the indicator value, if you see here, that came down from 70.69. It came down. It was showing a reversal trend. This is a RSI negative divergence, friends, and RSI was showing a weakness there. RSI value was coming down from 70.69. It came down to 67.94, which is showing a weakness in the trend there. And let's come to the chart here. Now this is how the scenario is positioned, and normally in these cases where the indicator is showing a lack in weakness, a lack in strength there, the price generally gets a tendency to fall down. Like here it is a clear divergence happening, the price making a higher high, price is making a higher high here, but the indicator is making a lower high, which is a clear case of divergence or negative, a classical negative divergence for RSI. So that is how you can scan for the divergences and utilize it to the maximum to grab the right opportunity at the right time. Say in this case here, it's a clear indication that the price can further be making a U-turn and can be further coming down from here due to a lack in the strength there, due to the lack in the relative strength there. So similarly, for you, if you want to scan for any other pattern, any other divergence, that can be selected from here, and accordingly you can select the number of days how it helps you is, say for example, you want to check for divergences which has occurred in last 15 days, or you want to scan for divergences which has occurred in last 20 days. So that you can select from here manually. You can filter from among the number of days, which will help you to identify like where you can select since last how many days the divergence has occurred. So, and accordingly you can select any option and click on the get data, and it will show you the result downside. To confirm the result, you can come to the charts, which will be available on the same page here. Hope that is clear to all of you. For any doubts or query related to divergence screeners, how to use them, you can always call us at our support numbers given on the screen, or you can directly call us at support@traderscockpit.com. For any subscription related queries also, you can call on the same number, that is 8050502121. Thank you, friends.